So it's 12 o'clock and we decided that we can't stay on this anchorage because the katabatic wind that is coming down is way This is one of the advantages when sailing here. It's like, what is it? It's 12 o'clock and it's in the middle of the night.
It's 1 actually.
It's 1 o'clock and it's still light. You can see the sun. I'm glad that we left that anchorage because it was impossible to sleep. So we can just motor up to Reine instead because the katabatic wind there was way too strong. This was coming down and just tossed us around. So
but the holding was very good in there.
The holding was very good in there. And now we have to motor and we have a very strong current against us. So you can see, I hope this is only when we're going around here. Hopefully it will ease off. We hope. But anyway, we are awake here instead of awake in the bed.
Yeah.
So this is what happens.
And we're glad it is the midnight sun, so it isn't dark.
Yeah, this is really, really crazy. So it's like the time is 1:15 and it looks like this outside. So I guess that is the advantage. 2 hours of motoring. And we are at Reine, and it's very strange because it was at the end there, or at the tip of Lofoten, it was gusting like 35, maybe more. Yeah, and here is nothing. So we have like 6 knots of wind, but it's somehow picking up at the end there, and the katabatic wind down in the anchorage was terrible. But if you look here, it's hard to believe that it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, in the night, or and yeah. You can hear the birds. Here is the little village, Reine. There they are drying fish. Can you see there?
Jag ser.
There is fish hanging on the, some kind of.
That's very picturesque.
Yeah.
It's very picturesque. I didn't think we were going to see that.
Drying fish.
Yeah. I know they are doing it.
Yeah. I think it's a big thing for them. Coming in here through the dredged channel. And you should be able to anchor just in the middle here at 20 meters. So. But it's quite the scenic. See the wall, everything here. Jeanette is preparing the anchor. Now we are settled in, we are anchored, and you can see, and I think we will have breakfast and then go to bed. Now we have woken up, and after the night's excitement, or it was excitement, but we had to move because it was not possible to sleep there. And now it's time for a little haircut. But I will not dye the hair, I will just cut it. I like my color, even though it's getting a little thin on top.
And grey.
Yeah, I start to get a little grey on the side here. Yeah.
Since the past 20 years.
Yeah. So have a look now, and then you can see how it looks after. So this is the hair salon on the boat, and it's on the swim platform, or what you call it. And I would like to show you the scenery that we have in the saloon today. There you can see I have a little mountain up to the left, and then I have some fishing boat therein, and then we have another mountain there with some to the right, and as you can see there is still snow up there. I will show you a little bit more to the left there, and the RVs we can see are all over Lofoten, and we also seen some motorcycles as well. So the tourist season, I guess, has started up here. How does it go up there?
On your head, you mean?
Yeah.
Well, we're getting there.
Can you see if I'm starting to get some grey hair?
Well, I must say it has turned more white than grey now. Sorry.
Is it white?
It's more white than grey. It used to be more grey, but now it's more white.
Yeah, and soon it will be transparent.
Or nothing.
Or nothing, yeah.
Oh, you would like to hear that.
I guess up there at the top, I'm starting to grow out through the hair.
But you're so tall, so not too many people see it.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see any difference, but I feel a difference. Are you happy with your creation?
Yes, I am. And I even shaved you.
Yeah. So
Hop in the shower.
I will do a shower now, and then we are fully renovated.